connect the PS4 to AV old TV. As you can see, PlayStation 4 have a HDMI output port, but my TV does not have a HDMI port. For connect the PS4 to old my TV, we use a HDMI to AV converter. As you can see, this converter have a input HDMI here and output AV CVBS AV output here, and you can choose NTSC and PAL, and here you can see USB power by this cable. Okay, let's go to test and turn it on this converter. For use HDMI to AV converter, you need a HDMI cable, as you can see, and AV cable, RCA cable. Firstly, you should connect the HDMI port to input HDMI converter, and secondly connect the AV cable here, yellow for video, white and red for stereo audio output. That's good. For power supply, you can use a USB port in PlayStation 4, or you can use a USB charger is better for power supply. First, I use this port of PlayStation 4. Now I connect this connector HDMI to HDMI output PlayStation 4. Now we should connect this output AV connect to input AV TV port. Okay, my friends, as you can see here, my TV have a AV input port and don't have HDMI input port. I try connect red and white for audio, yellow for video input AV input port. My friend, you can see TV is turn it on, and I try now turn it on PlayStation. Okay, my PlayStation turn it on, and you can see convert HDMI to AV port for PlayStation 4. Now I try playing game for testing quality. You can see here my games. For example, God of War play. Okay, let's play God of War. You can see this video quality, AV output, input from HDMI, output AV here. This output connect to my TV, old TV, and God of War is playing here. Okay, as you can see, quality not HDMI, but it's good. It's good AV video quality by HDMI to AV converter. You can use all TV AV. Good for all TV AV port. Okay, my friends, this video is over. Please subscribe Dr. Tech Pro channel and like this video. Thank you very much and goodbye.